This is a new video on the Pursonic #2 video about the Pursonic Robo Hoover. This is the underneath of the Hoover, where you've got a brush, as you can see, a filter in here which filters out dust, a brush that brushes the carpet as it's going along, wheels that will take it up and down the carpet, a little wheel that goes around, and this is the UV light. This, which I don't know whether you can see, we'll see if we can get it to do it. This is the bumper. So when if it hits something, the bumper will do that. It'll detect what's near it with this strip here, so it won't hit anything major or cause any major damage. Again, we turn it back over again onto it like that, and there it is, the Pursonic Robo Hoover. You do get spare parts with it, like filters, and you do get a cloth to clean the kitchen floor. The remote is there, as you can see. Has standby mode, charge mode, schedule 2 mode, clock mode, UV, speed, full go, auto and spot mode, and left, right, up, down and enter, which is what's on the remote. And when you get the box with it, you'll get all the instructions. Again, we press auto mode. We press, standby first, then auto, and you will see it will start moving, and off it goes, doing the job. So now you've seen the video 2. Thank you.